This video is very important. Now, if you're a subscriber to my YouTube channel, I'm sure you want to learn how to design professional websites with Divi. But you know what? I thought I would have this discussion with you guys because things might be changing. Well, in fact, things are changing for web designers. Now, here's what I mean. You know, when we design our websites, yeah, it's a fun process, it's creative, and nothing brings joy than having a website out there on the internet that you've actually worked on. And I know a lot of you have a lot of enthusiasm. You want to learn all these different features, animations, and all these gizmos that make your website look awesome. Now, here's the thing. It's fun to create those type of websites, but the reality is these websites don't actually bring results. The websites that bring results are much harder to do, and they require extra work behind the scenes. And these are the type of websites that either sell a product, promote a product, build a mailing list, and so on. So I want you to shift the way you think about websites to prepare yourself for the future. Yes, we can design these 10-page websites with the home, about us, services, and so on. A lot of the clients that we design these websites for, they don't know any better, or at least majority of them, because I can almost guarantee you these static websites do not bring any benefit to any company, because what really makes these websites really work is traffic. And for you to get traffic, you're going to need a blog, unless you're paying for the traffic, which is very expensive. So the future of web design is going to require a combination of a static website and a blog. So the blog is what's going to be bringing all the traffic to the website, provided of course you've done very good SEO. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because you really have to change the way you think about websites moving forward. You need to start designing websites that bring results, whether it's results for yourself or results for your clients. Now, I'm going to go through a list of things that are very important when it comes to having a website up there. Whether you are an online entrepreneur, a small business owner, whatever it is, blogger, you're going to need these type of websites in order for you to at least succeed online, or at least have results in whatever you're doing online. So let's start with the very first thing. If you're a web designer, you need right away to start and learn how to design landing pages. The reason why landing pages are important is because this is how you're going to start building mailing lists or even promote products. Without a landing page, it's very difficult to measure any results for your clients or even for your own website. Now, there are so many circumstances that you can use a landing page. So let's say you're promoting a specific product, or you want people to sign up for a specific course, or maybe you're designing a website for a fitness coach. You need a landing page, because a landing page is stripped down. It doesn't have a header. It doesn't have a footer. It just has the main information, and it usually has one focus. And that focus could be discount or sign up for this. It has to be something very specific. Now, what a lot of people do is they just build a website and, 5-page website. So when people land on that website, they have to start looking for content. And this is not a good way to design your website. You need to have some sort of a focus where people actually go and take an action on that particular website. Now, these landing pages can also be landing pages which don't have to collect emails. They can just be landing pages which have a call to action. It may be a call to action to pick up the phone and make a call, or whatever it is. But these are pages that bring results. And this is why I'm really emphasizing this point. The landing pages are going to bring results. Now, it's not a matter of choosing the right colors and the right fonts and the right images for the landing page to work. You also need to focus on the copy. You need to choose the right words that make people take action. And this is known as copywriting. So if you focus just on designing and colors and everything, not that it's not important, but you also need to step it up a bit. You need to learn copywriting, because this is how people are going to read that message and take action. All right, so I mentioned that the landing page can be of two types: list building or call to action. Now, moving on, there's also something that's very important, especially for those of you that are building websites for companies that sell products. In fact, if it's a company, it has to sell a product, doesn't it? Or it has to promote a product. Now, in most cases, the websites that you're going to build, or you're going to build yourself if you're in business, is going to be a website that sells a product or a service. Now, these type of websites will definitely need a sales process. Now, this sales process is also known as a sales funnel because you can have the first page as a landing page where someone gets on that page and there may be maybe a discount or an offer or a free trial, right? So from that page, after they fill in the information, they need to go to the next step, and this could be a discount on a paid product. And if someone doesn't take action on that page, they could be taken to the third step, which is a downsell of a cheaper product. And then finally, they go to the thank you page. Now, while this is happening, you've captured the email is in your email autoresponder. So this is how the business is built. So this sales funnel is proven, and there are so many companies out there that have made money. In fact, if you haven't heard of ClickFunnels, they've created a business based on just the sales funnels aspect of the process, right? So they don't focus on designing the website and so on. In fact, they have this thing where they say websites are dead. And I'm sorry, I have to agree with that, because a website doesn't do anything for you, especially a website, your typical home, about us, services, contact. Those type of websites don't do anything for you. So it's very important that you start thinking about these things as you are progressing with your web design skills. So I've spoken about the sales funnels. The next thing is membership websites. So let's say you're building a website for a tennis club, and I've done this before, to be honest. I built a website for my tennis club, and to be honest, it was very frustrating for me because when I built the website, it was just a website which talked about the tennis club, and pretty much that was it. But after a year, I approached the management and the members of the club, and I proposed that I would set up a membership for them, which takes payments and does all that good stuff and gives access to everyone on the website based on their membership. And to be honest, this cut a lot of admin work, and they were pleased that I went ahead and did that. Now you can see here what I'm saying. If you compare a normal 5-page website and a website that actually does something and bring results, of course, there's more value in a website that brings results. And this is why it's important. And this is why I'm re-emphasizing the point that you need to step up the game and start building these advanced type of websites. All right. So moving on, any website you're going to build, which is going to need traffic, is going to need to have a blog. Now, the blog is where you do your keyword research and write articles, whether it's videos, audios, whatever it is. People discover this on social media, and this is how you're going to bring traffic onto the website. So a blog is very, very important. So here's another skill that you need to learn. You need to learn keyword research and how to create content. If you're not creating the content yourself, you need to outsource it. So content is what drives. In fact, it's the fuel for your website, and it's very, very important that you master how to create this content. In fact, you know what? I have lists of topics that I need to write for, videos that I need to create about on my YouTube channel. I don't just create these videos at random. I actually create a list, and I've done the keyword research to make sure that I can get traffic from those keywords. So having a blog is very important, and the skills you're going to need are keyword research and also how to create the actual content itself. All right, so moving on, you also need to learn how to create e-commerce websites. So e-commerce websites are websites that sell products online. So setting it all up and making it look good, making it look professional is very, very important. Now, don't get me wrong. I am not saying that you should not learn how to design professional looking websites. You're still going to need to learn color theory. You'll still need to learn how to use typography, layouts, good photography, and so on. All that is very important, but don't stop there. You need to take it a step further and design websites that bring results. So this is my main key message to all you guys, because I don't want you to be caught unawares, because things are really changing online, and these websites, so these static websites don't do anything for anyone, to be honest. First of all, they don't rank on Google, because now Google has become even more sophisticated when it comes to ranking websites. So what is it you're using the website for? Is it just pride that your website is up there on the internet? Well, that's not good enough. You need to make websites that bring results. That's my main key message today. Let me know what you guys think. And I'd like to hear your thoughts on this. Leave all your comments in the comments box below. So that's all I have. So I thought I'll just talk to you guys about what I think about web design, the future of web design, and what you need to do to step up the game. I don't really want you to get caught unawares, so I thought I'll share this message with you because I feel I have a responsibility for all you guys, because you sign up onto my YouTube channel because you want to learn how to design websites. I will be creating a lot of tutorials on how to create these type of websites, landing pages, membership websites, sales funnels, and so on. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.